Health Minister Vishwajit Rane paid a surprise visit to the Goa Medical College on Saturday morning. He said he wanted to assess the needs of the doctors. On receiving an oral complaint from a press person, he suspended Chief Medical Officer Dr. Rudresh for negligence with immediate effect.
अरे who's the CMO here? CMO कौन है रे? CMO कौन है? Who's the CMO? Where is the CMO? All of you, where is the CMO? Where is he? Call him. Pass. तू CMO. तुला उलोवपाक सारकें रीत येना. आता प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयल्लो इंजेक्शन मारपाक. You cannot guide him properly. You learn to control your tongue. तू CMO. तुला उलोवपाक सारकें रीत येना. आता प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयल्लो इंजेक्शन मारपाक. You cannot guide him properly. You learn to control your tongue. You're a doctor. Don't force me to act. Put your hands out first when you're standing in front of me. I generally don't lose my cool. But you have to behave yourself. However much you're loaded, you will talk properly to the patient. And guide the patient. Urban health center and चल, हांगा चल म्हण. तू कित्याक रावला हांगा मागीर? कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान? उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका. तूं डॉक्टर तूं. मास्क काड पयलीं, म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें. सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काड and kick him out from here. These doctors don't understand unless you understand you're here to serve humanity. You're not here with your bloody ego. I said I am telling you what I'm saying. You're not authorized to speak when I'm speaking. You please go. Dusra CMO gala, I'll issue the note for suspension. You get out from here. That's it. Out from here. And don't report back because as long as I'm in me, not in you. You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension, I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out from here. भाषा हांव वापरता एकदम नरम. And ज्या I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Go home. You can go home. They let the residents and senior residents. You go home. I am telling you to go home. अरे I am telling you to go home. एका घरा वचून दी नाल्यार सिक्युरिटी धरून भायर मारतो ना तुका. एका भायर काड हांगाच्या. As the MS, you please see that he is not here on duty today. Send him home just now. You just understand one thing. You're dealing with me. I am telling you, first learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now. And you go when the investigation starts, you give your explanation. That time I will consider whether I want to take you back or not. Other next 2 years, you'll be suspended and you'll remain as long as my tenure is there. Poor people are to be served. I am asking you, telling you only this thing, that poor people are to be served. I don't want to listen to you. When I make up my mind, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. I am suspending you from this moment. Go home before my blood pressure boils and I take some other action on you. You will not be in service from. You go from whatever. I also work from morning to night. I want you out from here. Eka Vatsuni, Eka issue instruction that I have said that he's being placed under suspension. Don't open your mouth when I'm talking. Send him right now and issue him a direction that he should not report. I'm suspending him right now. कितें सांगू आता तुमी म्हाकाच सांगता. तेका सस्पेन्शनचे हांव फाल्यां नोट धाडटा. सस्पेंड म्हाका कडेन उलोवपाक रीत ना.
सर आज विजीट केली GMC.
हय विजीट केली. यो डॉक्टर विजीट केली. एक पेशंट्स बी आशिल्ले थोडे पळोवपाक आयिल्लो मुद्दम. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें टायम टू टायम आमचे डॉक्टर्स बी सगळे बरें काम करतात. तांकां कितें खंय कितें कमी लागता जास्त वयर सकयल जाता तें पळोवपाक. आनी आयज लोकांचे कंप्लेन एक CMO एक डॉक्टर रुद्रेशाचे ताका सस्पेन्शनाची ऑर्डर हांवें दिल्या. असले डॉक्टर जे गरिबाची सेवा करूं शकना तांकां कांयच काम ना हांगा गव्हर्मेंट सर्विसान काम करपाक. आमी मंत्री म्हणून आमी काम करता पूण हे असले परिस्थिती घडटा तेन्ना एक्शन घेवची पडटा. आनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे डॉक्टर एकदम बरें काम करता पूण केन्ना केन्ना असले बी विचित्र प्राणी निर्माण जाता. की करतलो कितें?
The incident of the Health Minister Vishwajit Rane
Berating a doctor at Goa Medical College and Hospital yesterday in public is unfortunate, as in my view the doctor ought to have been given a chance to present his version or to at least make a statement, and thereafter action as desired, if found fit, could have been ordered. I personally feel that the manner in which the suspension has been ordered is not correct. Complaints are pouring in from various persons of arrogant behavior of the doctor. True or not will have to be ascertained, but this manner in which action was taken cannot be condoned. However, I request Health Minister Vishwajit Rane to keep the action of suspension of this doctor in abeyance, and if he wishes, order a full-fledged inquiry so that the people and patients who attend GMC do not suffer at hands of any unscrupulous persons who would bring bad name to Goa Medical College, which otherwise is doing a great job in the service of people, especially considering that under the leadership of Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Goa's public health and infrastructure has been ranked number 1 as per CSE report 2025, as reported a few days back, and which I made mention some days back at the Mapsa Municipal Council functions. So my request to Honorable Minister Vishwajit Rane is to kindly keep this suspension in abeyance, and he may thereafter take whatever action he wants if he thinks it is warranted, but do not rush into such action immediately.
For more news, follow and subscribe Arunachal News Coverage in Facebook page and YouTube channel to get latest local and national news. Thank you for continuing support our channel. Call us for news coverage or advertisement at the given number in the screen.
Welcome to Arunachal News Coverage.